Well, I got all that tape off. Now I got some decisions to make. As I come up here for you, you'll see that the roof's in pretty bad shape. A lot worse than I thought. It's laminated bad. And whatever they coated the tape with, they coated over the whole roof. I have a hunch that that AC unit, especially since it's a carrier and Coleman never used carrier, was added onto this thing afterwards, and it's what's caused all the damage. I want the AC unit. That's part of the reason why I bought it, but now I got to figure out what to do. I have a couple of choices. I can take all the ABS plastic off and just coat over the foam, the stiff foam insulation. I've seen some guys do that online. One guy did it, then came back a couple of years later, said it still doesn't leak. It worked out great. Still a shot in the dark though. Or I got to figure out a way to try and fix it. I have a couple of ideas, but I've also got to figure out what caused it. And like I said, I believe it's probably that AC unit. It's an add-on. It's not what they used standard. If you go inside the trailer, you'll see where they added it on instead of into a panel and things like that. So, got decisions to make. Hopefully by the next time you see me, or hear me, you'll know that I've made a decision. Thank you.